Hello, my dear students. Welcome to our Study Learners Institution. I am Mayank Prajapati, the teacher of biology in Study Learners Institution. इस चैनल को लाइक करें, शेयर करें, सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकन को प्रेस करना ना भूलें. In this video, we will understand part 4 of life process chapter. We were completed the topic transportation in the last video, that is part 3. Now we talk about excretion. What is excretion? Excretion is the process by which the waste products during metabolic activities is removed from the body. In unicellular organism, the waste products are removed from the cells into the surroundings by diffusion. In multicellular organism, by the waste products are removed through the specialized organs. Now we talk about excretion in small means easily manner. What we do? Excretion is the process of removal of harmful metabolic waste from the body of an organism. There is one definition also. Osmoregulation is the process of controlling the amount of water and ions in the body of an organism. Now we talk about excretion in human beings. The excretory system consists of a pair of kidneys, a pair of ureters, urinary bladder and urethra. Each kidney has a number of excretory units called nephrons. Excretion in humans, waste products are produced even when we sleep. They are carbon dioxide and urea. Kidneys excrete urea, uric acid and water. There are 2 kidneys in man in the abdominal cavity on either side of big bone. Urine collected in the kidneys passes down the ureters to the urinary bladder and passed out through the urethra. Nephron, each kidney, consists of about a million long coiled fine tubules called nephrons. These are functional unit of kidneys. One end of each nephron has a hollow cup Bowman's capsule. The Bowman's capsule has a bundle of capillaries called glomerules. One end of the glomerules is attached to the renal artery. The function of the glomerules is to filter the blood passing through it. Only small molecules like glucose, amino acids, salts, urea, and water collect in the Bowman's capsule as filtrate. The filtrate collects in the collecting duct of the kidneys, from where it is carried to the ureter. Ureter then passes this filtrate to urinary bladder. From her urine is ultimately passed out. Large molecules like protein go back to blood capillaries. Nephron. Now we talk about nephron. Each nephron has a cup-like structure called Bowman's capsule containing a bundle of capillaries called glomerules. The Bowman's capsule leads into a tabular structure which joins into a collecting duct. The renal artery brings the nitrogenous waste like ammonia, urea, uric acid, urine along with excess water, salts, etc. into the nephron. It filters the nitrogenous waste, water and salts which passes through the tabular structure into the collecting duct. The waste then passes through the ureters into the urinary bladder and then is sent out through the urethra as urine. The useful products like amino acids, glucose, salts, etc. are reabsorbed by the capillaries around tubular structure and goes into the renal vein. Now we talk about excretion in plants. What is excretion in plants? In plants, the gaseous waste products we produce during respiration, CO2 and photosynthesis O2 are removed through the stomata. Excess water is removed through the stomata. This process is called transpiration. Some waste products are stored in the leaves and removed when the leaves dry and fall off. Some waste products are stored in the vacuoles. Some waste products like gums and resins are stored in the old xylem cells. Some waste products are removed through the roots. Plants also produce waste products during their life process, but very slowly and in small amounts. Plants have no special organs for waste removal like animals. The main waste products like carbon dioxide, water vapor and oxygen are removed through the stomata and lenticles. Many plant waste are stored in the cellular vacuoles. Plants store some waste products in their body parts, example in leaves, fruits, and dead tissues like bark. Some plant waste like resins, gums, oils, and rubber are stored in the old xylem and are useful to man. If you have any queries related to video, ask the query in comment box. This is the last video of life process chapter.